So, can someone tell me where the lights are, or the LEDs?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
See?
I would say, wait, no.
Can you point them out? Show me where they are. Yes, those two small ones, or whatever, small lights. One side has a silver dot, and the other has a brownish or brass color. Do you notice that on the lights?
Yeah.
So the silver side, the people who made these kits decided to have the silver as the negative side and the brown as the positive. Do you see the difference for on the lights? Okay. Silver and brown. Okay. And can someone point out where the switch is? Or which part is the switch?
I guess D is the switch.
Mm-hmm. So all it is two pieces of Velcro that are on top of each other, and then there's a separating, there's like a hole in the middle, and so when you press on it, the two pieces of fabric touch, and so it becomes a conductive thing.
So
That's
you
how
have to
it acts as a
constantly hold
switch.
it then if you wanted to.
Yes, exactly. So, can anyone guess if it has a positive and negative side, or no? No. Why do you say so? Yeah, they're the same. It's just it's like you took two pieces of conductive thread, and then you're just putting them onto. You're connecting them. So it doesn't matter which way you place this in the circuit. How about the battery holder?
Batteries. No, battery holder.
There. Okay, the battery is in E. And let's have a quick look at that. Can someone point out where the positive and negative side is?
I would guess at the top is the positive and the bottom is the negative.
There's a plus on the positive side. Yes,
Oh.
the flat side,
That's
the flatter side.
That helps.
So that's something you want to pay attention to when you're placing it in the battery holder, which is two parts, A and B. If you want to take that out of the, that's also Velcro, and they have several indicators to which is the plus side and which is the negative. They're essentially the same, but it's just a good way of keeping track of things. What's the rounded side? Is it the positive or negative? Does anyone? The rounded. There's two types. There's a rounded one and there's a square one. The rounded one is the positive. Right. So when you place the battery in the battery holder, you want to put the plus side, the flat side, onto the round part, which is the rounded one, and then you'll close it with the negative, and so the negative will be on the negative side. And you don't want to have the fabric touch at all, so if you separate them more, it would be better.
So basically opposite sides would be best.
Yeah, or at an angle, because it depends how your circuit is going. So, yeah. And then you just close it in there with the Velcro. That's how you get power to the circuit. Okay. So let's there's some needles on that side, sewing needles on that side, and there are some that are thicker. Or I know you're going to need a thicker needle to go through your backpack. Maybe
yeah.
also through the hat and the shoes. Are you still going with that idea? Are you still going with the shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to need a thicker needle also to make sure when you choose a needle to the thicker. Okay, so let's get the needle. So do you want to start passing the needles around, and just everyone take one needle, depending on Are there any questions? Everyone gets it? Maybe try a few questions.
Take a needle, help yourself.
Benjamin, you're on camera. You keep messing up my recordings with your sarcastic comments.
I know, and I'm so glad that my
Thank you.
ghost
Let's
got
look
to
at
haunt you.
Neroth's. Thank you. Okay, well, she turns away, but at least she doesn't